Hi, this is 8482 Media, and today I'm going to show you how to create a page in WordPress. So log into your WordPress site, go to Dashboard, and then click on Pages, and then click on the button here that says Add New. So first we're going to enter a title for our page. And then type the content of your page in the text editor located here. So we can add a block in this text editor by clicking on the button here that has a plus sign. So click this one. So we may add image, paragraph, heading, gallery list, and a bunch of blocks to this text editor. So for example, we're going to add an image. So just click image block and then let's upload an image. Okay, there. And below this image, we can add a paragraph. So click again the plus button here. Then paragraph. And then we paste the content here. If you want to change the page layout or add custom features to your page, you can use WordPress plugins or page builder tools like Elementor. You can add settings on this page by going to the right side where it says Page Settings on this tab. And then you can put a featured image, an excerpt, page attributes, and so on. You can also change your URL here by clicking on this box where it says permalink. You can change and you can also change the publish date. You may want to publish your page at a later date or publish it immediately. Once you are satisfied with your page content, click the publish button here to make your page live on the website. To view your new page, click on View Page at the top of the screen or visit your website and navigate to the page from the menu. So there you go. That's how to create a page using WordPress. Thank you for watching.